Hi guys, so in this video we're going to cover how to leverage the YouTube remix feature. So you usually find this feature on long form videos, and for the most cases the creator of that video, of that particular long form video, would be the one eligible to remix their videos specifically into shorts. Okay, so for this video we're going to focus more on how to remix your video into YouTube shorts. Now I'm going to share two best scenarios in which you are going to leverage this feature. All right. So number one, let's say if you're hosting a podcast, and normally if you're very current with social media trends, you're going to notice that a lot of podcast productions, you usually find the short clips edited into 30 seconds, 60 seconds or less, or a bit higher than 60 seconds on Instagram. And they're usually on the Reels aspect ratio, where you're just going to find them zooming out different sections of this video, particularly to have the person's full body on your screen. But just in case you want to confirm what we're talking about, visit the Elevate with Gwrite playlist on our YouTube channel, then check out Gwrite Media on Instagram. So we're going to attach the link in the description. Okay, so you're going to notice that a lot of the episodes we launched on YouTube, we also made another Reels version, which is 9:16. Okay, that is the aspect ratio, and we publish these short clips on Instagram. Now, the second scenario where you're going to use this strategy, let's say there are some videos you're going to do. So let's take, for example, we're talking about how to fund your prepaid ad account on Facebook using the Meta Ads Manager. You know, there's also an option where people will be able to do a bank transfer. Okay, so don't forget, the primary goal of that video is to teach our audience how to fund their prepaid ad account on Facebook. Now, at some point, we also show them how we transferred the required money to Meta using our bank app. So after we are done doing all of this in that particular video we want to launch, then we upload it on YouTube, you're going to see that inside of the tutorial, you'll be able to cut a specific session that covered how to make a bank transfer. So you see, so you can easily remix that particular session, or it's usually less than 60 seconds, or it doesn't exceed 60 seconds. So you're going to make a remix from that particular video that is available on YouTube into 60 seconds. Then you title it how to fund or how to make a bank transfer using your bank, or you could just end that way, how to make a bank transfer in Nigeria, or how to make a bank transfer using OPay or Zenith Bank, GT Bank, and the rest. So this is one way for new persons to find your channel or your content on YouTube without making a fresh content. Okay, same thing for the podcast scenario. It helps people to get specific points at the podcast where you said something mind-blowing and you want people to hear about it. So just imagine whereby within the podcast, let's say your guest said a quote that was mind-blowing, and you just cut that particular area and you zoomed out your guest and you made a remix, which is a YouTube short, and you publish it on short. So once persons find that quote and it's mind-blowing, they would want to watch the full podcast. So you can also take advantage of the related video feature in all this strategy. All right. So we've made a video that talked about how to leverage the related video feature on YouTube. So we published that video. We're also going to add the video link in the description section of this video. So don't forget, we told you guys how the related video helped us to grow one of our videos to have over 100k views. And let me even shock you. When we did a recent analysis on our YouTube performance, we noticed that our remix content have been able to get us over 100k views on YouTube. So you see, so this is something you don't want to play with. All right. So so in this particular video, I'm going to show you how exactly you are going to remix your long form videos into YouTube shorts. So let's jump right straight into this quick tutorial. So don't forget, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive content like this. So let's get started. All right. So you open YouTube. So just click on home. So you could select, and take note, it has to be a video that you own. All right, so I'm going to search for Gwrite. We're going to use one of Gwrite's video. And Gwrite is logged in here. Okay, so we're going to use this one, how to fund your prepaid ad account. This is a long form video, so we select this one. Okay, so this is a long form video. We're just going to get to the place where we want to remix into shorts. Okay, so this one, we're going to say how to use OPay to make transfer. Login. Okay, so I'm going to do the remix now. So it's from here. Click on remix. So edit into shorts. So I'm going to make
Facebook account.
So what I'm going to do, I've increased it to 60 seconds, a minute, by clicking at the top right circle. So I'm going to extend this. Okay, so this is where the video ends. So you just verify that it aligns with what you want. So just click on done. You could also select layout if you want, but this is how to use. So you click on next. So click on edit for the thumbnail. So I'm going to title it how to make bank, or how to do bank transfer. All right. So you could decide to use location if you want. So I could just use Nigeria because this is more common in Nigeria. Okay, that's why I'm using location. Select audience. No, it's not made for kids. Related video. Okay, we could use this one, how to fund your prepaid ad account. Yeah, so we could use this. Okay, altered content is no. Then hit the upload shorts button. Could also close this. You could also click on the U at the bottom right to check the progress in real time. Okay, then you click on your videos. Okay, so it's uploading. So it's doing the final processing. Okay, so we are good to go. Uploaded successfully. Okay, so you can also go and watch it. So that's all for this video.